Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on X platform or Twitter. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to hit directly to the twitter.com website and then log in into your account. After that, we will need to go to the profile settings. So basically here we will find it in this navigation bar. You will need just to click on more and then click on settings and privacy, and after that it will take you to the settings panel. Here we will find all the category of the settings, and after that by choosing each category you will be able to go to the subcategories. Here in the your account category we will go to your account, and basically here at the bottom we can find deactivate your account. By clicking here it will take you to this account, and basically you will be able to start the process of deactivating your account. And basically you will need just to go here at the bottom and click to deactivate. So as you can see, you can be able to restore your X account after deactivating it for up to 30 days after the deactivation. So basically make sure or that you really want to deactivate your account. So after that, we click on deactivate, you confirm your password by adding your current password, and then you will click deactivate and you will have your account that will be deleted from the X platform. So basically this is how you can delete your account. So thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.